Hey guys, Bart Robley here. I wanted to do an unboxing video for you guys today. Cover up my address there. Sam Morrison Band played a gig out in Vegas over the weekend, and I got home and there's this package for me and I know what it is, so I'm really excited about it. I wanted to do an unboxing video here for you guys and show off what these are. Back in November of 2024, my podcast, The Drummer's Education Connection, attended PASIC, and it was my first time at PASIC, and I met a new company out there. Oh man, look at this. The new company is In Earz Audio. Look at that. Fantastic. I've been using in-ear monitors for years. I kind of discovered years ago playing drums in a band. I've been getting tinnitus for a long time and struggling with that. And I knew if I didn't go with in-ears, I was going to be deaf by the time I was 40. That was a long time ago. And so I switched over. Look at this presentation. Oh my gosh. Look at that. There's my new monitors. So anyway, I switched over to in-ear monitors a number of years ago, and I've been really happy with using in-ears for forever. The in-ear monitors. I was using a different company's monitors, and they were a good monitor, but their customer service wasn't so great. And I met the people at InEarz, and not only did the monitors sound fantastic, but the customer service has been amazing. And they have this new technology. It's called Adele. And see this little guy right here on the monitor itself? This comes in and out. And what it does is some monitors, some of the in-ear monitors allow you to have sound go through them, so once you put them in, you're not completely plugged up. You know, you can hear stuff around you. You can hear a little bit of ambient sound. That's what that's for. But the other thing that it does, which was really interesting to me, was that it has a technology in there that allows that little plug to move back and forth. And this makes a lot of sense to me, that when you have your in-ear monitors in and they're playing and you're playing music, it creates a fatigue, it creates pressure inside your head, and this allows that pressure to move out. So while all at the same time not losing bottom end and having really good bass response. So I'm really excited to hear these and try these out. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put them in and check them out, see how they fit and see how they sound. But if you want to check out Drummer's Education Connection, that will be tomorrow, February 4th. I wanted to check on the date. February 4th, watch my podcast, and this will be the first time that I ever use them anywhere, and I'm going to talk about them on the podcast and let you know how they're sounding. But I'm really excited about these. These particular ones, the ones that I got, you couldn't really tell when they're there in the box. They're kind of a cool purple color. All right, and there's that little Adele. Thing I was talking about there. So these are really cool. I'm really excited to try them out. They come with a nice carrying case, has my name on them. And incidentally, for anybody out there who uses in-ear monitors, I'm endorsing this company and I'm really excited about it. And as an endorser, I want to, for all you younger players out there, or younger drummers or musicians, an endorsement doesn't mean you get free stuff. I want to be really clear about that. An endorsement is a relationship that you build with the company and you get a better price on it, but you're endorsing their product and they're endorsing you. And I want to be really clear about that. I've talked about that in past videos and past podcasts. That's an important thing to understand. Now, the reason I say that is because if you're thinking about going with in-ear monitors, even at my price, these are, you pay for these. You get what you pay for. These are fantastic pieces of equipment that you live and die by on stage, especially as a drummer. I'm back behind the drums. I'm sometimes 20 feet behind any sound source. I have to have these things to hear. Protect them. Don't take them out and put them on your snare drum, or put them somewhere where somebody can step on them, where you can step on them. Put them in the carrying case. It takes 2 seconds. And this is a nice metal carrying case. And it's got, like I said, it's got my name engraved on there. It's really nice. So this is fantastic. I want to thank the people at InEarz Audio. I want to thank you guys for watching this little unboxing video. And I'm not going to edit this, warts and all. That's the way I do this kind of stuff. I don't like to edit things all up and everything. I like to put it out there for you guys to see what it is. But check out Drummers Education Connection. If you see this today, this video today, check it out tomorrow. And if you see this video and you want to check it out and it's past this date, then go watch Drummers Education Connection. And it will be the episode with Adam Parsons. And we will be talking about his career as a music business manager and as a music business mogul. And check out what I have to say about these wonderful In-Earz in-ear monitors. I'm very excited about them. So anyway, thanks for watching. Talk to you soon.